Now, Captain Jeffrey Giraffe always makes me laugh. Can we hear you laugh? Laugh. Okay. All right. Now let me hear you. Now let me hear you cry. All right. Now, what if you were hungry? What would you sound like if you were hungry? What would you sound like if you want to go to school? Yay! What would you sound like if you want to go home after school? Yay! What do you sound like when you're sleeping? What do you sound like when you're dreaming? What do you sound like? What do you sound like when you don't sound? You have to know what you sound like when you don't sound. What do you sound like when you whisper? What do you sound sound like when you sound like a fire engine? Sound like if you were a cloud. Okay, I think you said cloud. Thought I said clown. I meant cloud. What do you sound like when you're cloud?